care what people think.
My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
Could just take Gobber's advice and tie the knot. That should fix everything. But hey, if you're having doubts about yours truly, I'm pretty sure Snotlout's available.
He only has eyes for your mom.
Playing dirty now, huh?
You asked for it. Looks like there might be a wedding after all.
Oh, Alex, you're mine. Put your hand in mine. You know that I want to be with you all the time. Oh, darling, darling. This is too.
I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get it.
If I could be anybody, dead or alive, I would wanna be my dad in 1980.